Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're a student who sometimes struggles with motivation, focus, or just feeling like you're not enough, I want you to know you're not alone. I've been there too, dealing with social anxiety, ADHD, and that constant fight to keep consistent. But today, I'm going to share the 3 most powerful things that help me become that student. The one who shows up, stays organized, and actually learns in a way that sticks. I show up consistently. Why showing up is the real power move. The first method is the foundation, showing up consistently. For me, consistency is everything. Even if it's just a small step every day. I know how hard it can be. Some days, my brain feels like a whirlwind, or my social anxiety kicks in, and all I want to do is hide or avoid the work. But I learned that just showing up, even if I'm tired, distracted, or not 100% motivated, puts me ahead of most people. How I do it? I set alarms to wake up and reminders to start study sessions. The night before, I prepare everything. Pack my bag, set out books, write a quick to-do list. That way, I reduce friction in the morning. I also give myself permission to show up imperfectly. Maybe I don't finish everything, but being present creates momentum. You can try this. Start by committing to just 10 minutes of focused work each day. It sounds small, but it builds habit and confidence. And honestly, habits like these helped me overcome those days where my brain just wanted to quit. Organize and prioritize your work. Why organization is a game changer, especially when you have ADHD. If you're anything like me, staying organized feels like a mountain to climb. But the truth is, having a system, even a simple one, can reduce so much stress and help your brain focus. Here's what works for me. I use a digital planner and a physical notebook together. On my phone, I keep reminders and deadlines in apps like Google Calendar or Todoist. But what really changed the game is using Notion. Notion is this amazing all-in-one workspace where I keep track of all my study schedules, assignments, and goals in one place. I designed a study planner template in Notion that helps me organize everything easily, from deadlines to daily priorities. And it keeps me on track, even when my mind feels scattered. Every morning or evening, I write down the 3 most important tasks for the day. Nothing more. This keeps me from feeling overwhelmed and helps me focus on what matters most. I also color code my notes and use sticky notes for quick reminders. Visual cues help me remember stuff better. A quick tip: try the Pomodoro technique. Work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. Repeat 4 times, then take a longer break. This keeps my attention sharp and prevents burnout. Bonus: if you want to get organized like me, I'm sharing my Notion study planner template for free. Check the link in the description to duplicate it and customize it your way. It's helped me so much, and I hope it can help you too. What about procrastination? I battle that too. The key for me is breaking big tasks into tiny steps. Instead of study for exam, I write read 1 chapter, then make 10 flashcards, then review flashcards. Little wins build momentum and keep me moving forward. Practice active learning. Learning smarter, not harder. Finally, the most powerful change was how I learned. Reading or listening isn't enough. To really absorb material, I practice active learning. Here's what I do. I quiz myself after reading a section. For example, I close the book and try to explain the concept in my own words, like teaching a friend. I use apps like Anki for spaced repetition flashcards. This technique helped me remember better over time, especially for subjects I found tough. Sometimes, I record myself explaining a topic, then listen back to identify what I missed or didn't understand. Study environment matters too. I create a calm, distraction-free space. I switch off notifications and keep my phone in another room when I study. If you struggle with focus like I do, try to turn passive study into active practice. It'll make a huge difference. Thanks for spending this time with me. Seriously, you made it to the end, and that means a lot. Now go do your thing. Take notes, chase your goals, and don't forget to grab your free Notion template. And before you go, just remember, pretty girls study. The rest, they're still looking for their charger. See you in the next one.